Before you buy Zunsport, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. Whether you're considering it for your own vehicle or just curious, I'm about to give you the inside scoop. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because there are some key insights you won't find anywhere else. But before we dive in, if you're serious about trying Zunsport, click the first link below to get the best free trial offer, along with some exclusive benefits. Let's jump right in. First off, Zunsport is a market leader in the automotive accessories space, specifically in vehicle grills. But what sets them apart from competitors like Rad Accessories or EGR is their combination of premium quality and aesthetic appeal. Zunsport offers custom-fit, high-quality grills that enhance the look of your car while providing additional functionality, such as better airflow to the engine. If you're considering investing in one, it's important to know their product isn't just a visual upgrade, it's built to last and improve your vehicle's performance. Next thing you need to know is their commitment to precision fit. Zunsport grills are made to fit your specific car model, ensuring no gaps or issues when installed. This is a major advantage over generic grills, which often require adjustments or may not align properly. The installation is straightforward, and with some basic tools, you can do it yourself without any hassle. Compare this to competitors who may offer universal grills, which can sometimes look out of place or even perform poorly. The third thing is material quality. Zunsport grills are made from durable materials like stainless steel, which means they're built to withstand harsh weather conditions. The tough finish ensures that they don't just look sleek but also resist corrosion, unlike some competitors whose materials can degrade over time. Whether you're dealing with extreme heat, rain, or snow, Zunsport grills are designed to hold up, and that's something you'll definitely appreciate long term. Now, the fourth thing you should know is about customization. Unlike other brands, Zunsport offers a wide variety of finishes, from matte black to silver, and they even offer mesh and honeycomb designs for that unique look. This level of customization allows you to personalize your car in a way that makes it stand out, while still maintaining a clean, professional look. It's a step above what you'll typically find in off-the-shelf, mass-produced products. The fifth thing to keep in mind is Zunsport's reputation for customer service. They've built a solid reputation within the industry for providing exceptional support, something not all competitors can boast about. From easy returns to prompt responses, Zunsport ensures that you'll be taken care of every step of the way, which really makes a difference, especially when you're investing in a product for your vehicle. Next, you should consider the price-to-value ratio. Zunsport's products are priced competitively for the quality you're getting. Yes, they might be a little more expensive than some generic grills on the market, but when you factor in the custom fit, durability, and performance, it's clear that you're getting excellent value for your money. Plus, if you use the link in the description, you can access the best possible offer, giving you even more bang for your buck. Lastly, it's important to know that Zunsport's products are not just about looks. They also help protect your vehicle. The grills provide protection for your engine and other vital components, especially from debris on the road. This is a major selling point compared to some competitors who may only focus on aesthetics without considering the practical protection aspect. So, you're not just getting a great-looking grill, you're getting one that adds a layer of defense for your car. So, if you're seriously thinking about buying Zunsport, don't wait. The best deal is right here, in the link below, where you can get a free trial and take advantage of some exclusive perks. That's everything you need to know before making a purchase. If you're ready to try Zunsport for yourself, click the first link in the description to get your best free trial offer and see how it can upgrade your ride today.